Hello, welcome and good afternoon. Welcome to a new virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. As we have announced last week, today we are on Camposol, a development close to Condado de Lama, about 50 minutes drive to Mazaron, maybe one of the most established urbanizations in the region of Murcia. And I'm going to show you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom, so-called Fiesta villa here on Camposol. You wouldn't believe it. Yes, we made it. We made the jump out of Condado and jumped into Camposol, which is just the next development down the road from us. So we are really happy to present today this 2-bed, 1-bathroom Fiesta villa type here on Camposol. We are on Segovia Street, number 6, and enjoy a dreadful day today. I have to say, we're really suffering. It's about 24 degrees, sunshine all day long, blue sky. You wouldn't believe it. It's amazing today. So showing you today this 2-bed, 1-bathroom Fiesta type villa here on Camposol. We are on Sector A, which is the most sought after, to say, part of Camposol, as here you find also most of the commercial activities, the social activities, you find them all here in Sector A. I'm just walking into the living room now, which, as you can see, is fully fitted, furnished and ready to move in. As our listing agent Judy said, it's just a little place, a nice little place in the sun. And that's what it is. It's a beautiful kept property, which has been undergoing quite some reform work to bring it up to standard for the 21st century. And as you can see, this is all modern, fully furnished, fully equipped. All what we see is what we get. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this property under the reference 3517, and the asking price is only 98,000 euros. I think this is quite a good offer, but let me show you a little bit more of this property. We just passed the living room, going on to the integrated dining area. As you can see as well, the kitchen has been totally refurbished. And for those people who maybe know a little bit about the Fiesta type, normally this part where the kitchen is located was the back patio. So the wall here, which we can see here, was dividing the property to the patio outside. What the actual owners did, they have integrated the patio as well into the living area, left some light buoys open, so there is natural light in the kitchen, and a part of that they have built in a fully functional, brand new German kitchen. I'm really impressed about it because it looks fantastic. I know this villa type from other clients, but I have to say I haven't seen one of them which is that bright and light also in the kitchen. The kitchen is done to a very high standard. Just let me show you one of these funny things I just found before. So this is really a very good way to use all the space available, and it comes with the property. The kitchen as well is fully fitted in the sense of, and also kitted with, for example, all cutlery left here behind. There we go. But as well, all kind of crockery and china and all that. So it's ready to move in, to say. It's a holiday home, but could be as well a residence, no doubt about. We have here again, those people who know already about my viewings, they know that I love these water filters. And here's another example of a drinking water filter. Hi Agatha, you know already about the drinking water filter, no? This is something really very useful. I mean, the tap water here in Spain is perfectly fine. It's drinkable, has maybe in some a little bit of a chlorine taste, but otherwise it's fine. But still, nearly all of us, we are using normally bottled water, which we get from the supermarket. We carry the plastic bottles home, we drink the water, and we try to get rid of the plastic bottle, obviously separating it. But this saves us money, hassle, and work, because I always have drinking water day and night. I don't have to have the plastic bottle, I don't have to carry them over. It's really fantastic. So this is an asset, apart from all the other assets which we see in this kitchen, being the washing machine, being the microwave, being all the others like toaster, kettle. There's also a gas burner here, which is very nice. Hi Darren, how are you? Tony, hope you're okay. And this is now well, as we can see, oven hob extractor fan, and it's fully fitted with fridge freezer as well obviously Bosch brand, as it's a German kitchen. Eh? There we go. Okay, I will not entertain you any longer with the kitchen. Coming back to the living room. Should be a little bit slower today. There we go. Again, living room. And now let me show you the master bedroom. Oops, there we go. The master bedroom has also been refurbished and totally renovated. And as we can see, it's as well fully air conditioned as the living room as well. Has got new furnishing on. Also double glazing. So they really did quite some improvements to the property, which normally did not come as standard, as for example, the double glazed windows. Something very helpful, helps save energy, especially in summer when it might be a little bit warmer. So it's always good to have a very properly insulated house. Just going back, oops, there was a mirror and I didn't catch it. Okay, now I felt into the mirror. Hi, I'm Rupert, the broker here at qualityhomescostacalida.com, and you're attending today a virtual open house for a 2-bed, 1-bathroom Fiesta type villa here on Camposol. Oops, the bathroom, as you can see as well, walk-in shower. That's very useful. They really did a great job. They put all improvements in here. Electric towel heater. Wow, all new appliances. Hand wash basin. It's all done newly. It's really great. Asking price is only 98,000 euros, and you find this property on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference 3517. Where you also find some more properties on Camposol, and when you watch the space you will see more and more properties now coming up, as we have a new team member, and you will hopefully see her soon, and it's Judy, and Judy will take care of Camposol, and we're really happy that she joined us, and soon I will introduce you to Judy. Waffling away, we are on the 2nd bedroom now of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Camposol in Segovia Street number 6. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this and many more properties showcased. This was the 2nd bedroom. We have air conditioning in the living room and in the master bedroom, which is quite useful, and for the surface, because the property has about 50 square meters inside and about 45 square meters of terrace outside. So these 2 units here in the living room and in the master bedroom will be more than sufficient to either cool the house in summer or give it a little bit of a cozy warmth in winter. Having seen the property now from the inside, I think it's time we have a look at the outside of the terrace, and most important of the roof terrace, so I can show you a little bit about the surroundings. As we said, we are on Camposol today. Camposol has several sectors, and we are on sector A, which is the most mature to say. And on Camposol sector A, there is also a commercial center providing all kinds of services like pharmacy, shops, bars, restaurants, service companies, key holders, even estate agents over there. And we are just walking up now whilst Rupert is waffling away on the roof terrace. It's a little bit windy today, so I hope it's okay with the microphone. Here we go. And we are just coming up now to the roof terrace. The roof terrace has the same size as the property itself. So again, big enough to swing the elephant. Yes, big enough to swing the elephant, no doubt about. And as we can see, we have a great view looking down towards Mazaron. Mazaron and Mazaron Port are the next town, and we also belong here to Mazaron. It's about 15 minutes drive and maybe about 17 minutes to the next beach, which is Bol Nuevo. And as you can see here, isn't this panorama fantastic? You see the mountains in the back, and behind the mountain is the sea. There we go. And over there, walking distance, can we see it? Yes, just let me walk over there. Back there, we see the commercial center of Sector A. Camposol has all kinds of services. Banks, gas station, restaurants, bars, a big consumer supermarket, Chinese shop. It's everything here, so there is no need to leave Camposol all day long, because you can find all this in walking distance. The commercial center back there, I would say, is walking distance about 3 minutes. There's another commercial center on Sector C, So you just cross the motorway and you are on Sector C, which is even larger with even more choice. The property we are in at the moment, Segovia 6, is also, well, has provided also a community pool, which is about 30 steps from the main door. You walk up to the community pool. Cost is about 140 euros per year, and it's only access by key to make sure that only those who pay also get access to the community pool. Excuse me. Well, seeing the terrace, seeing the views, I think this could be a place for a nice barbecue, or maybe having up here a nice lunch set and a little bit of a gin and tonic, or just a cup of tea. I think that's a fantastic spot. And Rupert, as you see, is already waffling away on the terrace, so I think we'd rather go down again, using the private staircase up here. And we're going back to this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom Fiesta style villa here on Camposol Sector A. I'm Rupert from qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm the broker of the company, and I'm happy that you're joining us today again in one of my little virtual open houses. Next week we will be again on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and we will have a premiere next week because we will do our show as well in Spanish. So for those ones who maybe want to improve their Spanish, listen to that. As of next week at 5 o'clock we do the virtual open house in English, and at 5:30 we do it in Spanish. So as I said, in case you want to improve or just freshen up your Spanish, stay with me next Thursday, 5 o'clock CET for English and 5:30 CET for Spanish. Means 4:30 in the UK and 4 o'clock as well in the UK and on the Canary Islands. So, having said that, we're always happy when you like the show. Then please send us a like or even share it with your friends. Might be really a good idea and would help us also increase the audience, because I think when you like it, I'm sure your friends will like it as well. We are today on Camposol Sector A in a beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom property, a Fiesta style villa, 50 square meters. Reference on qualityhomescostacalida.com is 3517, and asking price is only 98,000 euros. Actually, the property was already sold, but people have just pulled out, so it came back on the market, and we think it will sell within the next week or two, because for what it is, I think it's one of the best siestas which have been ever built. So I think this will fly off the shelf, that's what we hope at least, but there is everything in there which makes it really, really very probable that this property will move soon. The equipment is second to none. Dual new air conditioning, ceiling fans in all rooms, fiber internet, very important now, as well available. So also for home office, a great place to stay, a great place to work. Could be, as Judy said, a nice little place in the sun for one of you guys. No doubt about it. Orientation, did I mention orientation? Not yet. I'm looking out here into afternoon sun. So I'm just standing here now. The sun goes somewhere down over there. So we have, as of, I would say, early afternoon, this terrace is ever so sunny, no doubt about, because we can also see it. They also put an awning here. Here we go. This means when there is an awning, there is normally also sun, yes? Yes, Paul, the 98,000 is the price. That's what my write-up says here, and that's also what our webpage says. Reference 3517, 98,000 asking price. There is a community pool just about 30 steps away from the entrance to the property, which you can access paying some 140 euros per year. You do get a key to the community pool. Lorena, eso está en Camposol, en la calle Segovia, número 6. ¿Vale? Y solamente de forma informativa, la semana que viene vamos a hacer también las casas puertas abiertas o virtuales a las 5:30 en castellano. Así que a las 5 en inglés y a las 5:30 en español. Perfecto. Muy bien. So, sorry, just coming back. I just had to answer an inquiry from a Spanish viewer asking about the location, which is obviously Segovia number 6. And I also mentioned that as of next week, you can also listen and view our virtual open houses in Spanish half an hour later, after we start in English. Wow, what can we say? There's so many things here. We are on Camposol Sector A. Roof solarium, fantastic views. It's fully furnished, as we see. Most important, German kitchen. And who is coming here? Hi ho, Anna, what are you doing here?
Hello, hi.
This is not really your territory, no? Because I have Judy here. Judy, first of all, welcome to our team. Welcome to Quality Homes Costa Calida.
Thank you.
I'm really happy that you're joining us.
I'm
And
really pleased that I've joined you.
how did you find this gem?
I found this gem basically, so I found out that somebody was going to be, and they said, yes, that's fine to put on the market.
Yeah.
I came inside and I just thought, wow, you get the wow effect when you walk in, kitchen, everything, which is very unusual for such a large kitchen.
Exactly.
The present vendors have left everything, literally. It's collect your keys, drop your bags, you're home on
Yeah.
this particular property.
Exactly.
And it's on Sector A, which is the most sought after location on Camposol, because you're walking distance to the shops and also to the communal pool as well.
Exactly.
Not every sector has a communal pool. So I'm being a resident listing agent on Camposol. I live here myself, and I
Wow.
can highly recommend. You've got the golf club, which has a lot of functions going on, and meals, dance. Well, we can't dance at the moment.
Yeah, well, soon.
Soon. The music has started as well, which is good. So they have a lot of live events on there. So you've got the golf course, which for those keen golfers is absolutely brilliant. The wives can sit and have a glass of wine on the terrace.
What
and
tends
then
to happen sometimes, no?
and then dinner afterwards. So there's a lot of functions on there. Here you have a lot of bars, restaurants. The infrastructure on Camposol is very good. You've got a main consume supermarket and Chinese shops, etc., which sell a lot of quality goods as well.
Happy days.
Yeah.
So wow, you see me gobsmacked because I do feel now why people say, well, yeah, Judy, please sell my property, because you really have such a vast knowledge about here. I'm really impressed. So wow, happy days.
Living on here, I can answer any questions that anybody's got to ask me. So
Thank you very much.
hopefully.
Thank you very much. And
Thank you.
and again, welcome to our team. Welcome to Quality Homes Costa Calida. We're really happy that you joined us, and I'm really looking forward to collaborate with you.
Oh,
Happy
thank you.
days.
Thank you very much.
You're
for the
welcome.
opportunity.
So,
Thank you.
Anna,
So,
next week
week.
we have announced already that next week we are doing as well the show in Spanish at
Okay.
5:30. So for
yes.
English speaking, we are doing it at 5 o'clock, and at 5:30 we go for Spanish.
Para los hispanoparlantes,
Para los hispanoparlantes,
el jueves que viene presentamos por primera vez nuestra
Casa abierta
Casa
virtual.
abierta virtual, jornada virtual de puertas abiertas en castellano.
Efectivamente.
A las 5:30.
Y nos vamos otra vez al Condado de Lama.
Condado de Alhama, a una vivienda, a un ático espectacular de esquina en Naranjos 6.
Justo. Bien. Pero no vamos a olvidar dónde estamos ahora. We will not forget where we are today. Today we are, as we said, on Segovia 6, on Camposol, on Sector A, in a property reference on qualityhomescostacalida.com 3517, which comes at the asking price of only 98,000, and all comes included what we see. No, Rupert not. No, Rupert is not included. Go away, mirror. Everybody who knows my shows also knows my fight with the mirrors. But it comes all included, as we see. I think it's a ready-made investment for you guys. And as Judy said, a nice little place in the sun. Thank you very much for joining my show today. It was a real pleasure to go today for the first time to Camposol. I promise that I will be back on Camposol pretty soon. In the meantime, take care, stay safe, and God bless. Cheers, bye.